All right, guys. So right off the bat, here we have the beautiful layout. So you can change this layout into two different layouts. Number one would be changing it to the modern layout, which is this one. Sorry, the classic layout. Or you can change it to the modern layout, which is just a regular tablet type look. And this would be good for those that are more accustomed to just having your regular type of layout for tablets, where you can have widgets and have all your apps right on here. So that's something that you can also change. If we go back to the settings here, you're going to notice that you can change to day, night, or auto. Our customer does like having it in night mode here, so that's awesome. And he does like to have the classic style, so we're just going to leave that as is. Now, on your home UI here, you have your car auto, which I haven't connected my CarPlay on my phone, but I can actually demonstrate how that would work. So basically what you would do is you would just simply grab your cell phone, and then you would just pair new device, and then you would find the GT6 on your phone, and then you would just simply connect to it. If you don't find it on here, you can actually connect right onto the device. If you swipe down, you access just like a regular tablet, your notification bar here. If you press and hold on the Bluetooth, it will open up the Bluetooth, pair new device. You'll see my phone, Pixel 4 XL, because my phone broke, my good one. So now I'm just going to go to pair, and you'll see that once it's paired, it will automatically connect to CarPlay, and it will automatically switch over. And there we go. So the cool sorry, but you can see that you got your track info here, you got your maps, you also have all of the apps that you have here, which you'll be able to access. You can also even run split screen mode. If you want to run split screen, the way you'll do that is by basically pressing and holding that this button right here, and it will access, you can open up any other app. So if I were to do, let's say, the phone, it will now, sorry, if I were to, let's say, let's open up another app here. So we have YouTube. So if we have YouTube, you'll notice that the CarPlay will automatically readjust to fit the new size display. And then we also have YouTube here, so you'll be able to watch YouTube videos at the same time, be able to navigate to your favorite spot. Now, that being said, if we were to clear our CarPlay and just clear all apps here, you'll be able to access the top here. So the top drawer here, sorry, so it came up again because it needed to readjust the layout from the small screen to the big screen here. So so now it won't appear until you pop it back, until you press the button again. So the cool thing is with these buttons here, you can actually customize and change all of the settings to whatever you like. So if you want to use, like, for example, music, you can move that over here and make that music icon the second one, or you can switch it back and customize your most frequently apps up here. Then if you scroll up here, you have all of the apps that you have installed on it. You can see here that we even have Flippy Bird. Beautiful part about this unit is not just the hefty specs that comes with it, with the well, I clearly suck. So it doesn't, the cool thing about this unit is that with the hefty specs that comes equipped with, you'll be able to run really good games that are actually really good in terms of graphics and the way it performs and everything. So you'll truly be able to really enjoy this unit the way it's meant to be used. Well, obviously not playing games, but there are those times where we wait for our wife somewhere and we are bored. I clearly suck at this game, so I'm gonna just stop because I'm distracting myself. So now Other things that you can look at is we have our main settings here. Under the main settings, you can change everything from like your region, your audio. The beautiful part about this unit is it comes with a 16-band equalizer, so you'll be able to fine-tune your sound to the best that you enjoy. So that's the cool part about it. And then also the if we go to check out the back to the settings here, you'll be able to check out that we have video in motion to allow like playing videos while you're driving. User settings here, you'll be able to now access all of the settings here. This is where we adjusted the wheel settings to be able to program our steering wheel controls. Then you have here all of your like setting guide. So you'll be able to now change, and you'll be able to go through all of the settings here and figure it out for yourself. It's fairly self-explanatory. There's nothing on here that you'll really need to change or adjust. The other thing would be if we go into car settings. Now this is really cool because in the car settings tab is where you'll have your odometer, your mileage on how much is left on the tank, your average fuel. If you have your pressure monitoring system connected, you'll also be able to check all of that info here. And then this is where you'll be able to fully adjust the BOSE amplifier, the volume, the bass, the treble, and stuff like that on top of the actual equalizer. Now this here though is not the equalizer. The 16-band equalizer is strictly for this unit. Now, if you want to change the bass and the treble of the factory sound system, then you would do so on this screen. So that's the beautiful part about this kit, that it fully communicates with your original system. So you'll be able to have everything working the way it should. Now, on here as well, you have other apps that you can just kind of download and play around with. But guys, honestly, I don't want to make this video super long and kind of repeating myself, or just simply getting you to watch me play Flappy Bird here. But yeah, this is, you guys get the gif on here. This is basically how it all kind of works out. If you press the off button, it will turn off your climate. So you also have your hazards, which you can see that work. And then you can adjust the your fan speed right on here to make it easy. You also have an additional microphone that's built in, and then your reset button here. This reset button can be used in case there's a glitch that happens along the way. You just simply press this reset button, and it doesn't actually factory reset everything. It just resets, it's a soft reset, which is pretty cool. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help you guys. And thank you for watching. Peace.